With this extension, you can navigate Chrome like a spatial rift. Switch tabs, restore the closed, and search bookmarks through a cinematic portal without losing your zoom. Built for power users and manga lovers, Dimensional Shift extension turns standard Chrome navigation into a dimensional engine. Instead of digging through menus, you open the Space Shift portal and warp between your open, closed, and bookmark tabs instantly. You can also open any tab on stealth mode, instantly clone any tab into Incognito without closing the original. Omniscient Search, Warp Drive, and Stealth Mode are premium perks. Unlock them all with a PayPal donation of $5 or more to support our work and future updates. Click on Alt+Q to open the Dimensional Shift. Feel free to change the shortcut anytime in the extension settings. For the Phantom Limbo, with one click, you can bring back recently closed tabs from the void. Social Shield is a protection protocol. Set time limits for distracting websites. The portal tracks your active usage and displays a visual warning inside the portal when you hit your limit. Counters automatically reset every day. Warp Drive lets you browse your bookmarks like a spatial map. You can open any bookmark easily right from the Warp Drive list. And if you're like me and forget an old bookmark, just use Omniscient Search. Type the first letter and you're there. No more digging through folders and opening tabs one by one. You can also open new Incognito window by click on Stealth Mode. Another protection protocol in the focus dimension, a pure black screen with a slowly breathing purple circle designed to rest your eyes without ever closing the browser. It's a little meditation moment that helps you reset, recharge, and refocus, perfect for when you need a quick mental break during deep work. We've also added an eye defender, a silent timer that gently reminds you every 20 minutes to look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Why? Prolonged screen time reduces blink rate and strains your eye muscles. This quick break relaxes them, boosts tear flow, and prevents digital eye strain, keeping your eyes fresh and healthy. Your support means a lot to us. Just reach out for donation details, and we'll send you your activation code. Thanks for watching.